Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video guys, we are going to be making grandma's carrot salad with raisins. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For this recipe, we are going to use 7 carrots. First things first, we're gonna peel them. Once all the carrots are peeled, now we're gonna go ahead and grate them. Guys, I was thinking to start a live vlog. What do you think about that? I mean, I don't know what's going on with my channel, guys. I have almost 40,000, over 40,000 subscribers, but I hardly even get 1,000 views on my videos. I don't know whether you guys, you haven't turned on your notifications. Please do so because you are missing a lot, guys. Okay, so back to the video. This easy recipe is perfect, guys, for picnics, holidays, or anytime you have lots of carrots sitting in the kitchen. And it's a popular dish that everyone loves, guys. This is by far one of my favorite easy salad. One thing I know, you will love how quickly and easily this delicious side dish comes together. This is a family favorite, guys. Now let's listen to the music. Okay, all the carrots are grated. We're gonna go ahead now and add the raisins. I'm using golden and black raisins. Next, we're gonna go in with black pepper. We're gonna also go in with Miracle Whip. We're gonna also go in with milk. Then we're gonna mix all this together. Add pinch of salt and mix everything together. Guys, most of the recipes, they call for sugar. Now with my recipe, we use a pinch of salt and it tastes awesome, guys. Finish it off with dried parsley. I hope you will try this recipe, guys. I would love to know how it turned out for you. Please let me know by leaving a review down below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, guys? Hit that subscribe button and the bell just right beside it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.